Welcome to another American Beauty product support video tutorial.
A quick video about changing elements on your micro tweezer model 105133. We do sell these. The part number is replacement tips is 105134, and here we go. They're quite tiny and like to poke you, so be careful.
Okay, these are a press fit electrode, so you don't need really any tools except for a pair of pliers. A small pair is probably a little more appropriate. Pull out the pair that you want to replace, just slight pressure, remove them. You can see that the electrode has a detent in it partway down the shaft, and that's what actually is going to hold the electrode in. So you want to go ahead and push them in part way, about to the detent, with your fingers. It's again, it's a press fit, it's a loose fit as far as until you get to the detent. Once you get them to that point, you want to push them in slightly, so the detent actually is in place in the adapter holder. I'm turning a little bit to add pressure. Turn this around. Once you have them in there, in place, then you can adjust them. I do have them both in about the same length. At this point you can go ahead and bend them into the proper orientation for use. And you'll want to do that checking to make sure that they are a meshed set. Turn this one down just a little bit more. And there you have it.
There you have it. Thank you.